Hello friends, welcome to the Redesigned channel. So friends, today I will talk about Arctic Liquid Freezer 3. So friends, it is an all-in-one liquid CPU cooler developed by Arctic featuring significant design improvement over the previous Liquid Freezer 2 series. And the pump block is redesigned to resemble an aircraft turbofan engine intact with a new placement for the VRM ventilation fan at the top band of the pump block, and this new setup directs airflow to cool both the CPU VRM and memory areas with the pump located nearby. And this cooler comes in three color options: white plus ARGB, black plus ARGB, and black without lightning. Models with ARGB lightning include an addressable RGB LED on the pump block, which also acts as an LED diffuser and individually lit fans. It also offer in 4 size: 240 mm by 120 mm, 280 mm by 140 mm, 360 mm by 120 mm, and 420 by 140 mm. So friend, improvement have been made to the radiator design by extending the fins to the edges of the frame, increasing the surface area for heat dissipation, and additional details such as cooling performance and fan specification will be provided closer to the launch date. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.